Example 14. Find the number of different 8-letter words, 8-letter arrangements that can be made from the letters of the word daughter. Here a word is given it as daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Here we are having n is equal to 8. Therefore, how many ways the 8-letter arrangement is made? 8 factorial ways. Therefore, the number of arrangement is equal to 8 factorial. 8 factorial is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is, you will get 40,320. Okay. Now, first subdivision. In this first subdivision, they are given all vowels occurs together. That means, in this letter, in this word, what are the vowels? It should be considered as a single letter. Yes. How many vowels in this word? A, U, E. So, these 3 letters we have to consider as a single one. Okay. Yeah. You have to consider as a single one. And what are the remaining letters? D, G, H, T, R. Now, count how many letters in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, n is equal to 6. And then, just forget about the letters which is outside the box. That is, just forget this D, G, H, T. We are going to focus only the letter inside the box, because that is the letter we consider as a single letter, right? So, how many letters are there? 3 letters. That means n is equal to 3. These 2 factorials we have to multiply. Therefore, the number of arrangement is equal to 6 factorial into 3 factorial. When you multiply the 6 factorial into 3 factorial, you will get 4,320. Okay. Now, the second subdivision. They are asking all vowels do not occur together. This is same as the probability. We will do it for the complementary, right? The same thing. That is, the overall possible is 40,320 and all the vowels occur together is 4,320. So, we need to subtract this 2. That is, 40,320 minus 4,320 is equal to 36,000. So, this is an answer for a second subdivision. Okay. Now, example 15. In how many way can 4 red, 3 yellow and 2 green discs be arranged in a row if the discs of the same colors are indistinguishable? That is, how many red colors are there? I am having red 4. And then yellow. How many yellows are there? Yellows are 3. And green color. 2 green colors. Therefore, n is equal to what here? 9. And these are the repeated. So, we have to divide this, right? Therefore, the number of arrangement is equal to 9 factorial by, what are the repetitions? 4 red colors are there. Therefore, 4 factorial and 3 yellows are there. 3 factorial. 2 green colors are there. So, 2 factorial. Now we can expand it. That is 9 factorial is nothing but 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. This 4 factorial and this 4 factorial will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6 and this 2 and here 8. And finally you will get 1260 ways of arrangement. Okay, now and this is the last question, example 16. Find the number of arrangement of the letters of the word independence. In how many ways of this arrangement? First, we have to find the overall arrangement, right? In the word independent, how many letters are there? Yeah, n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12, and here we can see the repetition of the letters, right? That is, n is repeated how many times? N is repeated in the word, n is repeated 3 times, and a letter E repeated 4 times, and letter D repeated 2 times. Therefore, the number of arrangement is 12 factorial by 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. That means 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1, 2 into 1. This 4 factorial and this 4 factorial will get cancelled. 3, 2, 2. This cancels 12. Finally, you will get 166 3200. That means 16,63,200 ways. Okay. Now, the first subdivision. In this first subdivision, they are asking, do the word started with P. That means the first letter should be P. And the rest can be any arrangement. Okay. Therefore, from n letters, one letter is removed. Then what will happen here? N is equal to 11. And same way, here also n is repeated. Letter n is repeated 3 times. E is repeated 4 times. And D is repeated 2 times. Right? Therefore, you will get n factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. While simplifying this, you will get 1,38,600 ways. Okay. Now, second subdivision. Do all the vowels always occurs together? This is same as what we did in the last. Okay, fine. Now, second subdivision. How many letters, how many vowels are there in this word independent? Yeah, n. That is E. How many E's are there? 4. Right? 4 E's and 1 I. So, think that this all occurs one time. This all together. And what are the left out? N, D, P, N, D, N, C. Okay. In this, D is repeated how many times? 2 times. N letter is repeated 3 times. And here, total number of letters in this word is 8. Okay. Therefore, the possibles are 8 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. On further simplification, that's it, huh? No. Here again we have to focus on the letter which is inside this box, right? Here how many letters are there? 5 letters are there, right? Therefore, into 5 factorial by e is repeated how many times? 4 times. Therefore, 5 factorial by 4 factorial. And while simplifying this, you will get the answer as 1 lakh 6 sorry 16,800. We'll get 16,800. Okay, it's all same simplification, you can do it. Okay, that what I'm writing it directly. Now a third subdivision. Do the vowels never occur together? So what we have to do? We have to subtract these two values, right? That is, this value is, that is 16,800 is subtracted from this value, that is 16 lakhs 63,200. From this we have to subtract it, and this is same as what we did it on the last one, right? And fourth subdivision. Do the words begin with I and end in P? Same as the third subdivision. That is, in the fourth subdivision, the first letter is I and the last letter is P. Therefore, the remaining can be arranged in any ways, right? Therefore, n is equal to what here? N is equal to 10. And n, a letter n is repeated how many times? 3 times. And E is repeated how many times? 4 times. And D is repeated how many times? 2 times. Okay, therefore what is the formula? 10 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, I think you have understand the concept of permutation, right? Thank you.